Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make pumpkin doughboy. Yes, pumpkin doughboy, something different, something delicious. Now I want to dedicate this one to Ike, a subscriber of mine. He told me that the farmers in the mountain, they used to make it with pumpkin or carrots, and let me tell you, it's very delicious and I enjoyed every bit of it. I put my own spin to it. I asked my auntie how should I go about making it, and she gave me some ideas because they make it at home. So let's forge ahead and do this. And thank you again, Ike. It may not be like the farmers in the mountain, but it is delicious too. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and steam your pumpkin, or you can boil it with some water, or you can probably grate it. That's what I believe the farmers did. After, you want to add your baking powder to your 2 cups of flour, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half tablespoon of brown sugar, and you can use less or more, and you can always use this recipe and balance it to suit you. I am then grating some nutmeg. It can be like a 1/4 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And another thing, you can put some vanilla extract if you want. You can place it directly into the flour, or you can put it in your water. Mix everything well. I am going in with 3 tablespoons of butter, and that is room temperature butter, and half tablespoon of shortening or lard. I'm going in with my grated coconut, and I'm using half cup of coconut and half cup of pumpkin. Now, I know a lot of people love a lot of coconut in their doughboy, so if you are one of those persons, you can also add more coconut if you wish. Just go around and play with it until you make it to suit your liking. I am going in with my lukewarm water, and you can use water straight from the tap as well. It doesn't matter. Now, be careful of the amount of water you are using, because you know the pumpkin contains water naturally. So be careful with the amount of water you are pouring. So I would recommend you use less than 1/4 cup of water. And of course, if you add too much water, you can always add more flour to help bring in the dough. I am using the fresh coconut, and that contains natural coconut milk, so that is moisture too. So bear that in mind when adding water. After bringing the dough together, I knead it for about 4 minutes. And I add flour when it is too sticky. And I know that some people like their doughboy a bit stiff, so you can go ahead and knead your dough stiff. It's up to you. Some people like their doughboy soft. That is definitely up to you. You can add some yeast to it, or you can just use yeast only. Totally up to you. Whatever blows your hair back, Just go along with the flow. After kneading, you are going to leave the dough to rest in a warm area for 45 minutes. After kneading the dough for a few seconds, go ahead and put it in your greased baking pan. You can flatten it with a rolling pin or you can use your hand. Then you are going to bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. That wasn't the perfect circle, but it's okay. After the Doughboy is cooled down a bit, time to cut. This is the best part. I love the fact that I'm smelling those spices and even tasting those spices. And if you can have your circular level, go ahead and do that, but it's fine. I just love that natural yellow from the pumpkin. So amazing. And also I love the smell. The smell filled the air. I just love that. Smell just like Doughboy. Eat just like Doughboy. The texture is amazing. You cut this open and you put your saltfish, your blackfish, your corned beef, your cheese, your butter. You enjoy it. Look at that. Your stews. Look at that texture. I am so proud of this recipe. Wow. Thank you, Ike, and I will be trying the carrot soon. And to my viewers, thank you for watching.